Welcome back, it's Charlie here. So today I'm going to give you a sort of insight into what's coming next. And here I have, it's one of the Dapol figures which I painted, and it's good to remember that the Dapol figures are 00 gauge 1 to 76, whereas the Airfix ones are 1 to 72 and a bit smaller. But the main thing is I'm building a container to hold scrap, and as you can see I've got a little locking device. That's courtesy of David Hourigan. That was his idea to use tinfoil. I hope you enjoy this.